Hi, thank you for taking the time to support the Norton Healthcare mission. We're grateful for your efforts to help our community by washing, drying, and packaging cloth masks. We've shared these cloth masks with patients and visitors, as well as with employees to wear in non-clinical areas. Many of our employees, visitors, and patients have been appreciative of the opportunity to wear these masks and have enjoyed picking out the different designs and colors. One of the questions we've received from staff members is, how are these masks cleaned? This is where you come in. We're counting on you to follow the cleaning and packaging process of these masks to ensure we eliminate germs. This is an important step in reducing the spread of the new coronavirus. Today we're going to show you how to appropriately wash, dry, and package the cloth masks to ensure they're safe for distribution. Washing. We will provide you with the supplies needed to wash and dry the cloth masks. You will receive a box of donated cloth masks. First, start off by performing hand hygiene. Next, place approximately 175 to 200 masks in your washer. Ensure the cycle is set to delicate with hot water. Once the cycle is complete, move the mask to the dryer. Dry the mask on light heat. Once the masks are dry, don't forget to check and clean the dryer vent after each load of laundry. Packaging. The first step in packaging the clean cloth masks is to use proper hand hygiene. Again, wash your hands or use hand gel. Next, disinfect the area you plan to use to package these masks. Gather the supplies we provided. These include rubber bands, instructional cards, plastic sleeves, and clean cloth masks. Next, be sure to put on a cloth mask to mask your germs from the ones you're packaging. Once you've applied your own mask, again, perform hand hygiene. This is an important step. Then, grab one of the plastic sleeves and simultaneously insert the instructional card and mask into the plastic sleeve with the instructions facing toward the opening of the plastic sleeve. Secure the package by closing the plastic sleeve. You've packaged the first mask, only 199 more to go. Once you've finished packaging the masks, please group them in stacks of 10 and secure them together with a rubber band. Now it's time for that very important step, hand hygiene. Now that you've washed, dried, and packaged the cloth masks, make sure to send them back to the Norton Healthcare Clinical Command Center so they can be distributed to our patients, visitors, and staff members. A sincere thank you for your very important contribution of ensuring the cloth masks are safe for us to use. We appreciate all that you're doing to support our patients and community. Thank you.